If you have been uploading your video directly as public, you are making a huge mistake. Yes, you might be making a huge mistake. And that singular mistake is causing low views on your video, is causing low subscribers and low engagement on your channel. Why am I saying it? It is because when you upload your video directly as public, you are not giving the YouTube algorithm enough time to go through your video properly. When you post your videos to public, you are giving the YouTube algorithm this huge confusion because why? Not everybody is interested in your niche. Take for example, you are in YouTube growth niche and then you upload a video directly as public. YouTube will not know the kind of audience that will watch your video. They will not push your videos to those people that are in comedy and skit niche or educational niche. Because why? You just uploaded the video directly as public. You didn't wait for some time before uploading it. So you didn't give the YouTube algorithm the time for them to sit on your video, properly check your video, check the title, the thumbnails, the description, and other necessary things. So that in turn, they will make your video to be pushed to the wrong audience. So that is why uploading directly as public is not recommendable at all. It is not advisable. That's why I'm here in today's video to teach you how you can upload your video the right way. Hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Creative Mary here. If this is a video you'd like to watch to the end, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will push this video out to small YouTubers who do not know how to upload their videos yet. Without further ado, let's go right into the video. So when you upload your video directly as public, you are hurting the performance of your video. Yes, that is the truth. You are just hurting the performance of your video. Your videos will not do well because why? YouTube algorithm have not seated on that video to properly check that video. If the video is on the right track for them to push it and recommend it to the right audience. So now I'm going to be showing you how to upload the right way, and I will explain all the things you're going to know about the upload process. So when you want to upload your video, you will see these various options that will pop out for you. The first one there is private, and then the second one is unlisted. The third one is public, and then you also see set as premiere before you now see the schedule. So now let me break down the visibility settings when uploading. So the first one there is private. Private means only you can see the video. You can share the link with specific people, but that video will not be visible to your channel and to other people when you set it on private. So that is what private means. So the second one is the unlisted. So what the unlisted means is that anyone with your video link can watch your video, but that video will not appear on your channel. Okay, so this is a good way for you to get feedback from people that you share the link with. Okay, and then it is a good thing, all right, because you will be able to get feedback from them before you go public. You can also share it with your family and friends. You can share the link of your video when you set it on unlisted. You can also share the link with your friends, your WhatsApp group, so that they can give you feedback, or can also leave a pinned comment on it before making it public. That is, if you are going with the unlisted, all right? Then when we talk about public, which is the next one, public is when you've uploaded your video directly as public. It will just go public direct. It will just published on your channel instantly. That is why we don't post directly as public, because you're not giving the YouTube algorithm the time to sit on your video to go through it properly so that they will push it out and recommend it to the right audience. I've already explained that earlier on. So the next one is set as premiere. This lets you hype up your video. You are hyping up your video when you set it as premiere, okay? before going live. So YouTube will promote the thumbnail of that video that you have set as premium. YouTube will promote the thumbnail, the advertising it to your audience, so that they will see what the video thumbnail looks like before it goes live at the time that you have set it to go. And also, when you set your video at premiere, it will notify your audience before the video premiere goes live. So the next one is the schedule, which is the best option. Okay, so you want to upload a video, you always schedule your video. Please always schedule your video. This is the right and best option I will recommend for you. So what this schedule means is that this is the best option for small audience, the small YouTubers out there, the new YouTubers. This option is very good for you. Why? Because it gives YouTube the time to match and push your videos to the right audience, and it will also build momentum. Okay, so when your videos are being scheduled, it gives YouTube the time to go through your videos properly. They go through your video's title, they go through your video's description, they go through your video SEO keywords and the necessary settings that you've set on that schedule. Okay, they will go through it, understands your video very well before pushing it out to the right audience. So when you always schedule your video, you will see the performance of your video. The YouTube algorithm will understand your videos properly. Now let me show you how you can schedule your video. When you schedule your video, you click on the schedule to take you to where you will set the date you want the video to go live. After setting the date, you will see the time for you to set, and then set the time for the right time that you want your video to go live. So when you schedule your video, you are already giving YouTube algorithm to sit on your video. All right, so when scheduling your video, make sure you schedule it hours or 24 hours before it goes public. Okay, before it's being published, let it be 24 hours schedule. All right, so that you have given the YouTube's algorithm enough time to go through your video properly, to understand your video very well. One thing about this schedule is that it saves stress. You don't stress yourself. All right, you just schedule it and you don't have to be online when the video will go live. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.